Okay, hello guys, and welcome to White Noise Online. So I'm playing it today with Mr. Ben.
Yeah, hi guys, this is my first video and I don't know what it's going to be like, so I hope everyone likes this video. Let's get ready.
Now I do know Jacksepticeye has done a playthrough of this, as I've seen that, but I have actually got this game far before this playthrough actually came out. So this isn't copying or anything.
This is on my phone, so it's not, if it's like, it's the recording version. Soon I'm going to be getting a computer and then I can get it hooked up, and then it won't be like this, and it'll be hooked up to the TV, and then you'll just see the screen.
We were going to do this video with James Vaughan, who's Killer Raptor, but he's a bit scared of this game.
He's a bit scared of this game.
Whenever we play it, he says no tapes because the monster doesn't show up until you collect the tapes. Ben hasn't played this game before, I don't think.
Yeah, I got it today.
Yeah, the rules are basically you have to press left trigger to run. If you see a tape, walk over to it and press A to pick it up. We are playing on easy mode because we are terrible at horror games.
I've never played one, so it should be good.
I was playing Five Nights at Freddy's 4 earlier. I died in 5 AM.
Yeah, I did have. I accidentally shot my friend in the eye.
Started crying. Okay. It's a very scary atmosphere, I must say that. If you do like horror games and you have an Xbox, then you should definitely pick this up. It's 69p and it's multiplayer and there's many different maps to choose from. It's basically a Slender clone. I think someone should maybe make a FNAF clone on Xbox because that's marketing these days. FNAF. Where's Ben? Okay, this is a very helpful sign because
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Hi. This game is extremely good. Like, I really like this game. Like, me and Ben are probably going to die, but it's worthwhile. Well, you know you can run with the left trigger. It's not really running, actually. I look at you, it's just like fast walking. Even though, like, your flashlight points it down. Yeah, it looks like fast walking and running. Oh, get away from that. I've played it before. That's the first reason I died. Might want to move. Just move away. Move away from it. Come on, Ben. Those things. If you go too close to them, you die. Oh, cool.
Maybe with my friend Sam.
Good.
I will be playing Destiny and other games. I have already played Destiny and I am a level 32 Titan. So I will be starting as a hunter.
No.
I've started as a warlock already and I don't know if anyone.
on Destiny, I'm like a level 7 and everything.
Yeah, I've got the full version on Xbox.
Yeah. I actually have.
I've got the crew, all them type of
Yeah.
games.
Oh, come on,
I'll
bitch.
be playing them games.
Yeah, I actually have a Destiny series on my on my channel, which you should check out. It's only 5 episodes. Ah! Run! Jesus Christ, that scared living cheese out of me. Ben! God, it's there. Ben, run! It's not. Oh God, this is bad. This is bad. Oh Jesus Christ, that scared me. Okay, it's gone.
Sorry that took, guys. Sorry for that took, guys. My phone just stopped recording, so
Oh yeah, phones do have a limited record time.
yeah, so
That I swear that grave wasn't open before.
if the video just ends, then I'll
Just make different parts.
there'll be 2 parts of this, and then if I don't hear the sound of it turning off, it stopping, then I will make a little short video telling you about what happened
Okay.
after the end of the recording.
Okay, Ben.
Then I'll just say like a little.
Found next tape. This is like our best so far. This is my best because whenever everyone else leaves, I just leave. This is like
Well, this is my friend's baby, and I did not realise her name was on. Yeah. Oh, I swear on that video.
okay, guys. I just have to quickly do something.
So yeah, I'm gonna have to quickly sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys.
Sorry about that little thing. I just had to.
Sorry about you.
Oh, he's there. Run.
Where?
He was where I was there. He was over there. He was there. Just go away from there.
Sorry about
Yeah.
this. I went to 6, so just someone a bit silly, you know what I mean? Like, he's playing a game because he's an older people.
This game seriously freaks me out. Oh, he's there. He's it freaks me out. Like it's like scary. It makes you jump, but James just leaves. Oh, we're near a pole. Who's that? Run the other way. I'm surprised I've even lasted this long. Yeah. Anyway, so back to the game. Hi. So This is White Noise Online. It's very scary.
Yeah, sorry about that. My mic just like stopped working.
It's alright.
Sorry about the noise. Oh, wait up to me. I'm gonna. It's there. Ah, it's gonna kill me.
Oh, I heard of like a baby crying. Ben, where are you? Ben, come to me.
He just spawned like right next to me.
Yeah, he spawns like right close to you. I think the trapdoors are gonna just. Come on, Ben. Don't stand up the trapdoors. Probably just die or something.
This is pretty cool game.
This game gives me the heebie-jeebies. Who's that? He was just. I don't know where he was. I just heard the banging noise and then like.
He's there. That's what game.
Yeah. Okay, just go this way. I think he's gone. This is probably, I think, the second horror game I've done on this channel. Well, actual.
Well, this is my first video, so
Yeah.
I've got a lot of loaded on the game.
Okay, let's breathe in. Let's breathe in. It's getting scared.
Playing your oh yeah, you should go what's it called? Is it have you ever heard of Scratch? Well, if you've heard of it, or just go check this website out called Scratch and put in what's it called?
Five Nights at Ragtides.
Yeah, put in Five Nights at Ragtides. It's a different version of Five Nights at Freddy's. It's a very good one. But Scratch has got a load of code in it. Scratch is very hard to code.
Oh, we were here before. Let's go through it again.
You can go check it out. So I was saying it's
Yeah.
like Five Nights at Freddy's. Like the different stuff to it, like the different characters. Like ventilation.
Yeah. It's still got updates to have and stuff. Man, what's that? Oh, man, we've been in circles. This game uses a weird.
Sorry if this recording is very bad, but this game is very, very dark.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm sorry if my recording was like that as well. But I can see it and it seems alright. Because all you can really see is your flashlight area. Even that's quite small, isn't it?
Yeah, so guys, my recording just stopped again, so this will be in 3 parts, maybe more.
Depending how long we last.
Yeah, depending how long we last. So, there might be a few parts, but hopefully I'll be getting a new phone soon, so maybe
Oh, that's nice. Hello? You're the licky guys. You're gonna lick me. Ugh. Ugh. Hold me. Hold me. I found my father. Guys, I found my long lost father.
Look at his face.
I know, he's just. I think it's meant to be that weird white noise creature. It's more over here. Oh, just stay by the statues. I'll come to you. I'm here. To your left, to your right, actually. To your left, no, to the left, left. To the left, to the left. There's some more statues over here. I think there's some.
Sorry if this is just me talking. if I actually upload this, then it will be, I will have to watch it before I upload it, so it might be, I don't know,
I think there's a tape here.
yeah.
Just gonna check your back.
Because it's a TikTok game, I might do the GTA 5 later, because that's a live game and you'll be able to see it.
To be honest, I'm surprised you've not seen the White Noise for a while.
It came like right next to you.
I know, he appears all the time when you don't want him to appear. God, I hate the sound effects. Oh, that! Jesus Christ. God, this game scares me so much.
I don't know how long that was, but that was definitely a short time, so I don't know what's happening, so I might have to end this video here. So hopefully this video isn't too bad. So bye guys.
Okay.
Okay, so it turned off because it was like a minute and then it turned off again.
I think it's because, like,
Put all the videos together.
what?
And you put all the videos together, or
You can't, because you'd have to have a full YouTube license before being able to do that. You have to have a full YouTube license if you want to post videos longer than 15 minutes. So this game is getting a lot of creepier vibes.
full YouTube channel like costume.
No. Anyway. Oh look, I found a glitch. Look. It's not really a glitch, it's just a dancing light. Why won't we die? Oh! Found a new recorder.
I'm gonna watch the video. So I'm gonna do
Yeah. Just see how long we can last. I think eventually we might commit suicide because this video is taking a while.
Have you got a full YouTube?
Yeah, that's how I'm recording longer than like. I'm just running. Don't know where I'm running. Do you know where I'm running to? I'm just running. To be honest, if I was going to have a it's great. To be honest, this game is quite bitty, extremely bitty. It's okay, but it can get a bit annoying. Where's their hands? Jesus Christ! He's there. He's over there.
I'm still gonna be walking. I'm just going to walk.
Okay. To be honest, I could actually easily beat the game, but okay, I could actually easily beat the game, but
Oh, he's there!
ah, Jesus Christ, hello. Are you just gonna? God, my screen was going all fuzzy. Let's go that way. It's fun. I just go the way the monster is. Whoa. Man, this game is super cool and super creepy. Take. Hey Ben, having fun walking over there? Into that thing there? Well, excuse me, princess. And Ben? Good. Oh god, the music's getting creepier. There's this weird, like, beeping noise in it. Jesus, there. Come on, let's go that way. I just go the way the monster is, because ain't no horror scaring me. Wait. My light. Uh-oh. Ben, I think our light's run out. Because my light is flashing. Ben, don't run off without me. Mummy, stay by me. Oh, he's there. Oh god. He's so nice. What's that? Ah! Oh god! I can see you, man. I can see you. He got me. Oh god! If I had a wear face cam, then you'd see me. God, I fell off my chair. I fell off my chair. What was that? What happened? Hey Ben, just turn around. Hey.
Oh my god, he's there.
Where? Is he right behind you?
Yeah, he's like right there.
Hello. Turn around. Turn all the way around.
I'm sorry, viewers, I'm not very good at this game. Right there, Isaac.
Yeah.
Kill me.
Ben doesn't actually realise that I'm a spirit, because spirits can show up, so he can actually see me.
Oh my god, he's over there. Nice. Stop!
Uh-oh. Did like a little dance when you died, like flew up into the air. Found 4 out of 8. Oh Ben, watch this. In memory of me and you. I got 4. You got 0. Distant walks. How did I walk like 2,000 meters? Screams 1. You got 3 screams. Replay. Watch this. So look, there's me and you. It shows us where we stream. I love these replays. There we found one of them. There where we streamed one. Also, can I tell you guys something? I'm not sure if I told you, but I actually switched my lights off and like closed the curtains and everything at the beginning of this video to actually make it seem a lot scarier for me, because it actually advises you to do it at the beginning of the game. So this whole time I've been playing in complete darkness apart from the screen. So there's been a lot of spooky, scary skeletons. Look, we obviously go in circles about 50 times. There I died. Ben, can I tell you something? Did you see like a blue creature?
Yeah.
That was me. when you die, when you die, you come back as a ghost. So I was. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you didn't just keep on playing the part where I start crying over and over. And see you next video.